It was a splendid day on the island of Sodor. Thomas was taking Annie and Clarabel back to Knapford Station. He was excited. A new engine had arrived, and he wanted to say hello. The engine was beautiful, with shiny paintwork and a gleaming brass dome. The Fat Controller introduced the engine. Thomas, meet Emily. Hello, Emily.
Hello to you, Thomas.
Emily, you must go and get some coaches so you and your driver can learn the route.
Yes, sir.
She answered. Thomas was impressed. At the carriage sidings, the only coaches that Emily could find were Annie and Clarabel.
These aren't your sort of coaches,
said her driver.
but I suppose they'll do.
Annie and Clarabel were shocked.
What? How dare he say we'll do? How dare he? We will do? How dare he?
Emily was coupled up to Annie and Clarabel and she went on her way. She puffed carefully through the beautiful countryside. Annie and Clarabel were still cross.
How dare he say we'll do? How dare he say we'll do?
Just then, she saw Thomas.
Hello, Thomas.
She called cheerfully. But Thomas was cross. "Those are my coaches," he said. "Give them back!"
Huh?
Emily didn't hear Thomas, and she went on her way. Then Edward passed by, and so did Percy.
Why is it when I whistle hello, no one whistles back? Why is everyone being so unfriendly with me? This is making me upset.
Later, the Fat Controller came to see Thomas at the station. "I want you to go to the docks and collect some new coaches," he said. "New coaches? But sir!" "Really useful engines, don't argue." Thomas didn't want new coaches, he wanted Annie and Clarabel back. Emily came back to the yard. Oliver was surprised to see her with Annie and Clarabel.
Those are Thomas's coaches.
Oh dear, so that's why he was cross. I better go back and apologise.
"Don't want you coaches! Don't want you coaches!" he fumed crossly. Emily was looking for Thomas when a signalman flagged her down.
Oliver has not cleared his signal box. Please go and see what's wrong.
Okay.
Will do.
When Emily found Oliver, she saw that he had broken down on the crossing.
Help! I've run a hot box!
Just then, she heard Thomas's whistle.
Oh no! Look out!
"Oh no!" cried Thomas. "I won't be able to stop!"
Oh no!
Come on!
Emily charged forward and bravely pushed Oliver out of the way. Just in time.
Phew!
Oliver was shaken up by the ordeal.
Phew, that was a close ordeal.
Later, back at the yards, the Fat Controller was very pleased with Emily. "Well done. That was very brave indeed."
The bravest! I would not know many engines who do that.
"It gives me great pleasure," he added, "to present you with 2 new coaches."
Thank you, sir. Thomas, I'm sorry I took Annie and Clarabel.
"And I'm sorry I was cross too."
Friends?
"Friends," replied Thomas. Emily loves her coaches, a big part of the that controller's rear.